prison over this?
Yes.
You know what they do to pretty boys
What?
like you in prison, eh? That Roman's gonna grab you and fuck the shit out of you. I just had to survive the night, and that $500 million is all mine, papi. I got a knife on me, too.
I ain't here for the money. I'm here for that ass.
What the fuck? What are you hiding from
Nothing.
me?
I'm not
This
hiding
time it's
anything.
always like,
Nothing.
get his.
Just got it done.
No. My son is a criminal. A fucking gangster, man.
Dad, it's just a tattoo. Look how cool it is.
Cool, come here. Forget about having a future. It's over with. Para pingas over.
I can work at Wendy's.
We stuck here, man. Where you from, dude?
I'm from Vietnam.
No way, you from Vietnam too?
Yeah, I'm a doctor.
Doctor, man, doctor.
Yeah.
My daughter gonna love you, man. Oh my God, you doctor.
Hey Siri, change the color to red. I didn't do that. It did it by itself. You wanna go to my room? I have to lock the door sometime because my roommate will be coming in here all the time. You ready? Like that shit, eh? You like that shit? Eh? Why you not making no noise, eh?
I need my charger.
Miguel, no, bring it to us.